In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this cool photo collage effect in DaVinci Resolve 19. First step of this effect is to find 3 different clips of the car. Copy the top clip because we will mask it out later. Combine the rest of the clips into one new fusion clip. Delete all of the merge nodes and the background node and position the media ends like this. Add a tracker for media in 3. Put the tracker on a high contrast place so the result is better. Change adaptive mode to best match and track the video. Click on Operation and change it to Match Move. Connect the tracker to the media in 2. Find Transform. Position the video like I do. My DaVinci has some kind of weird bug going on at the moment, so it looks a little bit weird. Once you are done, copy the tracker and the transform and connect them to the media in 1. Adjust the transform so the clip isn't on top of the other clip. Click on the transform and find Drop Shadow. Change the angle to the right direction of the light. This depends on the clip. Copy the drop shadow for the other clip too. Great! Now let's mask out the car. Open the clip in the color page, take the pen tool, and mask out the car. Click on the tracker icon and track the video backwards and forwards. If the tracker tracked the video poorly, click on this frame button and fix the mask manually. Good. Go on to the node section, right-click and add alpha output. And the last step is to add some softness. That's basically it.